Hi, sixth graders. So I'm going to walk you through what you're doing for this wellness. This wellness Padlet. That's my son, Colin, thinking that he's funny. I'm going to leave him in here. All right. So you have completed all of your work from yesterday, and now we're going to move on to seeing what you do for your own wellness using the notes from yesterday. So you're using the notes you took yesterday or completed today, and you're going to choose 4 of the 7 components of wellness to explain what you can do to be healthier or what you actually currently do to fulfill 4 of the 7 parts of wellness. You're going to add a picture to your 4 posts, and feel free to read your peers and click on like if you like them, a little heart if you like them. So there are 2 down here. If you just kind of scroll down, there are 2. There's a period 3 and a period 4, and tomorrow there'll actually be flip-flops. So period 3 will be first. It's so important to make sure that you are on the right Padlet and make sure that you put your first and last name in the title section of each post. So if I look at this wellness wheel, day 2, period 4 or period 3, make sure I'm in the right period, click on it. All right, so period 4 is yellow and period 3 is green. Just kind of helps you know where you are. So you're choosing, you are going to choose 4 of these. So if I pull this down a little bit, you can see there's a bar down here, and you can move that bar back and forth so you can see all the different components here. So this is what you will do for this. Pick 4 of them that make sense to you, that you either, like I said, you either know what you do or something that you can do to fulfill each part of this section of the wheel. So I'm going to show you, this is my example, for emotional health. And I'm going to show you how I did this by doing a second one in financial. And when I'm done, I should have 4 posts with my name on them. You will go back and double check there are 4 posts with your name on them. Count them. All right, so I click on plus. Your name will not pop up here because I'm not having you guys log in. I'm having you guys go in as guests. So in your title, you will actually write your name. And then you're going to write something. So maybe it is, I babysit every weekend and save half of my money to be able to buy, well, what do you guys like to buy? A new computer maybe. Or we'll do something else. We'll do something like buy my first car. So you're really thinking ahead of time here, and you're going to maybe save money every weekend to buy your first car when you turn 16 or 17 years old. So there are lots of options of pictures. So I do want you to add a picture to all of your posts. So if I click on more, I can upload something that I've already saved to my computer. I can put a link somewhere. I can do a Google search for images. I can take a picture from my phone. So if you have something that you've done that you want to show a picture of to put on here, like if you created something out of recycled material or whatever, or your family does that, you can put a picture of it right here and explain kind of what you do. You can take a snap of your camera. You can take film from your camera, like I'm recording here. You can record your voice, all that. So I'm using this Google Images because it's easy. And I'm going to look for a new car up here in my search engine. And maybe I would put something like this. Woohoo, this looks fun. Okay, so maybe I would put something like this. So now I'm done with 2 of them. I have to do 2 more. So you would go again, look through here and decide which pieces fit for you. Read your definitions of your different parts of your wellness wheel to make sure that you're doing this correctly. So this is an assessment. You'll be graded on this. I need to make sure your name's on there 4 times and you're actually answering the question. You can put as much or as little information in your description as you want to, as long as you are meeting the requirements. Okay. I am on Teams right now waiting for you in case you have any questions. Bye.